All right, well, I finally got started. I got back from Kansas the day before yesterday. I had to do some shopping in Billings, and that pretty much took the whole day. But while I was in Kansas, I caught the flu from my wife, who caught it from my sister-in-law, which caught it from her grandbaby. So anyways, I was real weak yesterday and didn't do much. I worked a little bit on the tiny house getting the water set up, so I've got water from my tank to the toilet. At least that works. But I got out here this morning. It was 12 degrees when I finally came outside, so it was a little chilly. It took me a while to get started, but I got this first little area dug out where the toilet is going to go, and then this next area where the shovel is, that's where the shower drain is going to go. And then after that, it's going to lie over to here to where the bathroom sink is. And then I'm going to run up underneath the building here with an 1.5-inch drain so I can have a kitchen sink. So a little bit slow, but I'm ready right now. I don't know if you can see this. You probably can. That black line is where I'm going to cut the pipe off from 4-inch, and then I'm going to put that conglomeration of parts in for the toilet and then work my way towards the shower. So here we go. Okay, I got it set up for the sink. That's not glued in, it's just in place. And I've got that little piece in there with a cap on it just for the kitchen sink. And that piece right there will have to be cut shorter, but I need to go get a 90. But it's pretty much set up. So the riser coming off the toilet will have to be cut, and that's just sitting in there. So I just got test caps on them for now, and not too shabby. Hopefully I'll get the rest of it tomorrow, and then now I have to figure out my water before I close up the floor. Anyways, it's starting to be a really, really nice day. Beautiful. Morning. It's the next morning. It was 12 degrees this morning when I got out here, but it's nice now. It's probably in the 40s, but the sun is shining and it's really nice. I got my drain hooked up going to the kitchen sink, and it's all glued in and in place. And then for my bathroom sink, and this riser here going to the toilet, and then the pipe going to the shower, I'm going to leave for now. I need to frame the rest of this floor, and that way I can kind of figure out my elevations. But I will get this framed in and start sheeting in the plywood and getting my holes drilled and figured out. I will not put it in or attach it completely until I figure out my water system, because I'm going to have to run underneath the floor. I want to get that all set, but I just want to get the pipes set so I can glue them into place and then figure out my water and get it all attached. So there we go. Hip hip hooray. The pipe's up there inside where the kitchen counter is going to be. It's obviously too tall, but that's okay. I can cut it. All right, the floor's all framed up. That was fairly simple. Doesn't get much easier than that. Now I'll have to figure out my plywood and getting my openings cut for the risers. Got my first piece of flooring cut. I did have to take off part of the wall because this board is 3/4 inch, not 5/8. But I need to fill some of the dirt in around the both sink drains. And I should be able to get at least 2 pieces on today, and then cut that one piece and put it back on. And then the rest, I need to be real accurate with the cut, so I'll take my time tomorrow. Not too shabby. I got the other piece cut and put on the wall because it was about a 1/16 too tight. And then I put the second piece of flooring in. Just the 4 corners are screwed down because I'm going to take it up tomorrow, because I need to cut the pipe for the shower drain, and then I'll put it back on and screw it all in. I know you're supposed to stagger the joints, but this is an easier way, and it doesn't really matter. I'm going to put linoleum over the top of the bathroom area, and then the rest is going to be painted, which is going to be storage. But the weather just changed. It looks like we're going to get some rain. It didn't call for it, but I'm glad I got this much done. So yay, getting that much closer. Well, it's kind of a chilly day today, starting out slow, but I got all the sewer lines complete. I had to lay out for the shower, so I had to kind of put it in place and figure out exactly where it was going to be, because once this floor's on, there's not enough room underneath here to get in there and do things. But I've got the shower stub up right there, and the kitchen sink, I don't know if you can see that, but right there, those are all done. I've got one stub up here for the hot coming out of the Insta-Hot water heater, and then I'm going to have to figure out for my kitchen sink, but my bathroom sink right there, and then come over here for the toilet. So it's a little bit left, but I need some more parts and pieces. So I don't know, it feels like it's gonna rain, but hopefully not. But I might just put this last piece on right here, this small one, and then figure this last part out maybe today, if not tomorrow. Okay, I backfilled everything except for around that toilet drain. I still got to take that out and glue it, but I'm going to cut the hole tomorrow, so I'm going to measure it and then take it out and make it easier on me. But those pieces are in and insulated. I've got one more hole right here drilled that I'm going to put the cold water in, and that'll go to the water heater. And then I've got two more holes over there for the sink, and then with this piece I'll drill one up through this 24-inch piece for the toilet. But not too bad of a day. Got pretty cold. It was cold all day. Didn't get really over 45, but good day. Stay tuned for the next video.